Friends, this is Bhautosh here. Welcome to my channel, Perfect Analyst. Today's session is about a function called Topn, and this is a mostly used functions in Power BI. So where you are going to use these functions? Wherever you want to know the top numbers, either top sales of any product or top profit of any product based on the ascending or descending order of sales or profit. So in that case, we are going to use these top n functions. So let me share my screen and I will show you how you can use these DAX functions to know about the top 5 or top 10 product sales information. So I hope you are able to see my screen. So in this Power BI desktop, I've already loaded the data and this is clean data. Now what I'm going to do, I want to know top 5 products or top 5 order based on their sales information. It could be top 5 based on the ascending order, or it could be top 5 based on the descending order. So the syntax of any top n functions in Power BI we have top n, then n value, table, order by expression, then we have order, and this keep on going because you need to this is optional, so based on your requirement you can take this information. So now what is n value is number of rows to be written or the count of items you want to pick either from top or bottom of the table, the table name. Order by expression is your column names, in which columns you want those top 5 or top 10 based on your requirement. And this is optional, order optional, to select either from top or bottom of the table. By default it will be in descending order. If you want the top 5 based on the ascending order, you can choose this option. So let me go to Power BI desktop and I will show you how it works. So what we will do is, here we'll create a table, new table, and in this table I want the top 5 order based on the ascending order. I'll go to new table. Here I want top 5. You have to write the function top n functions. Here n value is nothing but how many how many rows you want, whether it's a top 5 or top 10 or top 15, top 20, based on your requirement. So I am taking the top 5, so I will give the number 5 here. Then table, here C2 is your table name, order by expression. Here what I am going to do is I am selecting the columns, from which columns I want those top. So I am selecting here sales column, C2 sales column. Now comes, you want the top 5 based on the ascending order or you want the top 5 based on the descending order. So by default it will be descending. I am just selecting here for your understanding ascending, close the bracket, enter. So what will happen, Let me go back to show you the original table. So this is your original table where we have around 10, 10 rows, and I want to row the top 5 based on the ascending order. So what Power BI will do is it will ascending order in the back end, the ascending order, and it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 11. So these 5 rows it will consider. So now I am going to see which 5. Can you see here this 5, 11, 10, 10, 5, 10. So that 5 it is randomly it's coming those 5 records which I show you here, those 5 records which I showed you here, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 records will display here. Now many people will confuse with in this ascending order when they are doing the fasting. Uh, this ascending order is not the ascending order of this sales data here in this table. Here it is not ascending order, right? It's 11, then 10, then again it's 5 came, then again it's 10. So don't confuse in that. This ascending order is from this sheet. First it will ascend, then only it will take those top 5 and it will create here this top 5. Similarly, if I'm choosing descending order, so in the backend what Power BI will do, it will first it will in the order of descending. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 rows it will take and show you in this top 5. 15, 20, 30, 23, 21. This 5 will show here. So I hope I'm clear, and I also thinking that you are able to understand these top n functions. This will be mostly used functions in Power BI. In many cases, when you are doing project, you will have to use these functions. So please remember these functions and try to practice yourself. And if you have any queries, please give a comments. So thank you so much for watching this video.